All right, so we got all these hats right here. We need to ship these out. This is what we're doing today. We're shipping all these hats out. We're gonna peel all the puff off of these, show you guys how we film some ASMR videos for Instagram and TikTok. We'll show you guys how we package all this up and take pictures and videos for the client. We got 3D puff embroidery right there with the navy. We got clean on cream with that black thread with 3D puff embroidery. We got to get these out. Clients waiting for them. So we got that 3D puff embroidery in the front, and then we got that side embroidery. This is also my favorite one right here that we just did yesterday. Right here we got that 3D puff orange right there. Let me show y'all the details. Got that side logo, and we also got that back logo right here. Border like this. This back logo right here is not easy to do that big. Y'all know if y'all want a how-to video, we gonna have one posted right after this. So make sure to check out the next video and subscribe, comment, throw your questions in the bottom. If you guys don't know me, hey, I'm A-Win. Nice to meet you. Let's get started. All right, we got this neck gadget right here for our POV videos with that MagSafe. If you need one of these, I'll put it in the description. But you can get this from Amazon. We're gonna use our phone. It's a MagSafe, so it's gonna hold it. So pretty much, I'm gonna get to peeling. Clean the camera, cause off any fingerprints and stuff, so it's nice and clean and clear. So it's just a quick video. We do this just because it catches people's attention and they want to see the process, or they like to see it. So this is why we do this. I feel like I probably look retarded doing this shit right now, but you do what you gotta do, man. That's what it is at the end of the day. You do what you gotta do. And then we also gotta clean the hats right afterwards, and I'm burning with a lighter to burn any excess threads and melt the foam down some. Is what I do. I don't use a heat gun. I have one. People always telling me get a heat gun. I preferably like to use big lighters. I get 50 packs of them. Clean up these, make sure it's nice for the client, and then go take some pictures. Then we gotta repeat it for all these right here, so we got content as well. All right, let's go. All right, now we're gonna set these on the side. All right. So we gotta do these. Showcase all the different colors that we got right here. We got 4 colors. All right, now I gotta clean up our mess. Put the hats back over. Lighter. Clean up these excess threads right there. Just yank the foam out and burn the threads. Take the pictures for the client. Proceed. Pretty much a rinse and repeat kind of thing. Once we do one, we pretty much gotta do the same thing for the other ones. We always take pictures for every order, by the way, for the most part. We try to, at least. We don't charge for it. We just do it just cause it's a nice gesture. And the client can use the pictures if they want to. It's also a good way to showcase what they're getting, or they can pre-post it and use it for content as they're getting the order shipped, so they can post their hats. So by the time they get it, people already seen it, and then they can do more content. So, or they can get it pre-sold ahead of time. So it's something that we like to do. And of course it takes time out of my day to even do these things, as you can see. So hopefully they appreciate it at least. It's an extra step, but a little bit can go a long way. We've been doing this for years, where we just take pictures for the client when we're done. Most clients like to see what their hats look like. We do send a video and a picture of the hat of the first one made to get approval for production. So they do already know what it looks like. We don't just go ahead and run it and everything. We like to get approval of the first one made. And once that's approved, we run the rest. Make sure the client's happy and ensure that everything's made to their liking. Right, all these are cleaned up. All right, next. These are done. This one's not a puff hat, so we're just gonna get these out. But you can check the details on those. Super small lettering. So if you know about embroidery, small lettering is very tough to do. We do what it do and get the job done, providing the best work. It's ironic when I keep on saying clean and clean because it says clean on the hat. This is for a dry cleaning company. That's why it says clean. Or the guy owns a dry cleaning company, but this is his brand, Clean. Good news, we do got a restock on these cream and pink blanks coming this week. So if you need them, check out our website, embroideryplug.com, down in the description, and we have them. All right, let me show y'all the different colorways and all different colorways. I just showed y'all these. The cream with the pink with the 3D puff embroidery. We got that black, cream and black. We got that cream. So all solid cream with that black. Then we got the white with that 3D puff pink. We got it with the sky blue with that cream solid. And we got that cream with that red puff. The cream with the red really stands out. Then we got this cream with that Kelly green brim suede 3D puff. And then we have the white with the cream, which I think is really simple. Simple and nice. So let's knock out this peel video. We got most of these all clean and did the peel video for this. It's literally the same thing as we just did. Just a rinse and repeat thing. We burn with a lighter or a big lighter. I always use a big lighter. And you can see the yellow part of the flame and the blue part. You burn with that blue part of the flame, so you have to hold it at an angle. You don't want to use the yellow part. It'll leave burnt marks on the hat and the material. The blue part is the hottest part of the flame. Get this done, and then we're going to shoot some pictures and send over to the client and package the order and ship it out. Our lights, try to have some good lighting. These lights that we have are really old. Had these for probably 8 years or so, if not longer. I can't remember. We got a white backdrop, and then we just take some pictures with an iPhone. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It's better than nothing, and it looks good enough for the client. That's all that matters. Plus doing this for free at no charge. Snap a pic, adjust your lighting, and snap. Boom, that's it. Pretty much done. I record a video as well. That's it. Nothing crazy, and I do this for all the other orders as well. It's very rinse and repeat. I got other tips and tricks as well, but we're gonna save that for another video. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know any questions down below. Get a quick video as well. Doesn't hurt. That's a wrap for this. The only other thing that I do is I'll go through the hats one last time, pretty much quality control the hat. And if I see, like, you know, I have a mistake or something that I need to fix or run another hat, I'll go do that and I'll replace it. Make sure everybody gets what they pay for and all the hats and stuff are A1. You know, my motto is let our work speak for us, and we get the job done. Got to get a quick little snip picture of this one too. Now it's just to package the order. We use a lot of the auto boxes that we get and just tape them up just because we order a lot of hats and the boxes are decent, so we just reuse it. No need to buy more boxes if your boxes are still good. We also bag all the hats up so it's nice and bagged just in case the box get wet so the hats don't get wet. Just one extra layer of protection and it keeps the hat clean from any debris. So it's good to do. Count them up to make sure all the counts there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. We got 48 hats here. Counts of 2. If you want to know what our minimum for embroidery is, 12 hats, by the way. Need a refill. All right, time to weigh the box. I'll measure it up and ship it out, but I ship out so many of these hats that I already know the size. And the weight's probably be around, I'm gonna say 13, 14 pounds for this box. And then this is gonna be 27 inches tall. And it's probably gonna be about 13 inches tall by 9 inches wide. I'm gonna see if I'm right or not though. Yup, on the money. And you round up when you're shipping out labels, so 26 and a half, you round up to 27. Let's see if I'm right about the weight though. I could be off. A little extra, it's 12 pounds. So usually about 24 hats, about 6 pounds. So you times 2 is 12. You wanna know what I use for shipping? I use ShipStation. So that's what we do. I'll leave that for another video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.